Unpack and familiarise yourself laying the outer tent on the ground. Ensure the ground is free of stones and other sharp objects. Inflate the main hoops until rigid, ensuring the valves are screwed in tightly. Using the guy ropes, erect the tent to form its rough shape. Ensure all the doors are closed and peg out each of the four corners to form a rigid shape. Once you are happy with the overall shape, take the inner tent and attach to the outer, using the toggles and hoops, working from the rear forward. Once you are happy, proceed to peg out any remaining guy lines.